Ever sneeze so hard you scare your pet? Boom! That is not just you being loud, it is your nose doing science. Meet Mr. Nose. His job? Catch invaders like dust, pepper, or even invisible ninja pollen. When they attack, Mr. Nose panics. So your brain hits the red button. Achoo equals emergency air blast. Your sneeze can fly out at 160 kilometers per hour. That is faster than a race car. So next time you sneeze, just say, "Good job, Nose." Learning is fun, and sometimes a little achoo funny. Smart laughs. Science for kids. Fun fact.